What I'm about to show you will forever change how you look at AI. You will no longer look at it as a technology here to take your job or for college kids to write their essays. Today, Fourth Alotho is breaking down how you can use AI tools to save money every single month. Almost like having a personal financial assistant who never sleeps. By the way, if you are interested in any of the products mentioned here, I made it easy for you to find them by putting the links in the description. So here on Fourth Alotho TV, we help remote workers, business owners, and anyone on a budget find the best tools, apps, and strategies to save and grow money without wasting time or overpaying. I've tested countless platforms and resources so you don't have to. And my goal is simple: show you how to live better and smarter, but Fourth Alotho without sacrificing quality either. So with that in mind, let's break down how AI can become your money-saving sidekick. Budgeting is like going to the gym. We all know we should do it, but it feels like a chore. That's where AI-powered apps like YNAB, Rocket Money, and Clio step in. These apps automatically track your spending, spot subscriptions you forgot about, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. For example, Rocket Money can cancel that $12 streaming service you signed up for 8 months ago and never used. Talk about finding spare change under your couch cushions, except it's hundreds every year. AI can also act like your deal-hunting best friend. Honey scans the internet for coupon codes at checkout, saving you money without lifting a finger. Capital One Shopping compares prices across retailers to make sure you're not overpaying. And my personal favorite, Hopper. Hopper uses AI to predict price changes on flight tickets with over 90% accuracy. That means it literally tells you, wait 2 days, the price will drop $50. It's AI taking the stress out of travel planning and turning it into a money-saving strategy. Now here's where AI goes from saving you money to building you wealth. Albert works like an AI financial assistant in your pocket. It automatically sets aside small amounts of money when it notices you won't miss it. It's your digital piggy bank with a PhD in finance. Those little contributions compound, quietly growing your savings. Magnify is like having a team of investment analysts on call. You can literally ask questions, what's a good long-term growth ETF? And it gives you data-driven answers based on your goals. And then there's Portfolio Pilot. Think of it like having a co-pilot for your investments. It scans your portfolio, identifies weak spots, and suggests rebalancing moves so you're always flying smooth, even in a turbulent market. Here's the kicker. If you combine these tools, budgeting apps plus cashback AI, play investing platforms, you're not just saving a couple dollars, you're setting yourself up to save thousands over the years. Turning a leaky loose change faucet into a fire hose of savings. Instead of paying thousands in fees, you're letting technology work for you on autopilot. So if you've been wondering how to use AI in your real life, this is it. Start small, pick one app, watch it work for you, and then stack on another. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which AI money app you're trying first. And hey, if you want more tools to grow and save your money, check the links in the description. I've got my favorites listed there.